Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Nissan remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is remove this screw here at the top of the fob. So we get our Phillips screwdriver and we just remove it like so. Now what we do is we get our flat-headed screwdriver, and there is just an indentation right there where we can put the blade of the screwdriver in and we can twist, and which releases both halves of the key fob case like that. And there you go, there is your key fob battery. We just get a smaller screwdriver and we just get it underneath and we just remove it from its housing like so. This key fob takes a battery part number of CR1620 like this one. We just simply pop it back into the housing. On this particular one, we make sure that the writing on the battery is facing downwards so we know it's in its correct location. And we just get the other half of the case and we just pop it back together, line it all up and make sure it clicks in place. And just put now the screw back in at the top of the fob to secure it. And there you go, it's all done.